Welcome to this stunning home nestled amidst the vineyards. Located in a large space filled with ancient trees and vines, this residence is a true urban sanctuary. The project consists of two glass-connected homes, shielded from the nearby busy highway by two L-shaped walls made of stone and wood. The rooms behind these walls are arranged around patios and terraces, as well as several individual gardens, each with its unique atmosphere. A system of narrow spaces serves as paths that connect the gardens, patios, and interior spaces, enhancing and respecting the landscape. Upon entering the home, you are greeted by the access garden, designed as an atrium portico that leads to a reddish wooden door, crafted from the only tree cut on the land. This door opens to a small glass hall that connects the two main walls of the residence. The main house boasts stunning 270-degree views of the vineyards and the valley and the surrounding mountains. The large eaves create both a place to enjoy the outdoors year-round and protect the house from the summer sun while allowing light to enter in winter. The materialization of this project reflects its rural surroundings while softening its urban sanctuary attributes. The service areas are hidden in the front with easy access, increasing the intermediate buffer between the residence and the avenue. The surroundings of the house enhance the control of the place, providing a sense of privacy and protection, while large openings are overlaid towards the surrounding landscape. This home is perfect for those seeking a peaceful and comfortable space amidst nature but close to the city center. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this incredible residence.